I'm diving into the world of vision insurance to uncover the secrets they don't want you to know. Let's see if I can find some hidden gems. Vision insurance is an essential part of maintaining good eye health, covering costs for eye care, and ensuring you get the best possible treatment when you need it. Many people think vision insurance is only for those with existing eye problems, but that's not the case. Others believe it's too expensive or doesn't cover much, which is also a misconception. Some individuals even think they can just pay out of pocket for eye care, but that can quickly add up. Vision insurance can provide significant savings and peace of mind. People often overlook the importance of regular eye exams, which can detect underlying health issues early on. Vision insurance is often underutilized due to a lack of understanding about what it covers and how it works. This can lead to missed opportunities for preventive care and financial protection. People may not realize that many vision insurance plans cover more than just eye exams and glasses. Vision insurance plans can be complex, with different levels of coverage and benefits. Some people may not take the time to properly review their plan, leading to surprise medical bills or uncovered expenses. Vision insurance can vary greatly depending on the provider and the specific plan. It's essential to do your research and choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. There are several types of vision insurance plans, including individual, group, and Medicare plans, each with its own set of benefits and limitations. Understanding the differences between these plans is crucial to making an informed decision. Individual plans are great for those who are self-employed or don't have access to group coverage. Group plans, on the other hand, are often offered through employers and can be more cost-effective. Medicare plans can provide additional coverage for seniors, including cataract surgery and other specialized services. The benefits of each plan can vary greatly, so it's essential to carefully review the details before making a decision. Some plans may have a broader network of eye care providers, while others may offer more comprehensive coverage for certain services. The type of vision insurance plan you choose can significantly impact the overall cost of eye care. Some plans may have higher premiums but lower out-of-pocket costs, while others may have lower premiums but higher deductibles. When it comes to vision insurance, one key insight is that many plans cover more than just routine eye care. Some services, such as LASIK surgery or specialized eye exams, may be covered under certain plans. Many people are unaware of the additional benefits that may be included in their vision insurance plan, such as discounts on contact lenses or eye care accessories. By taking the time to understand your vision insurance plan, you can maximize your benefits and save money in the long run. It's essential to review your plan regularly to ensure you're getting the most out of your coverage. Some vision insurance plans may also cover alternative services, such as vision therapy or orthokeratology. These services can be incredibly beneficial for people with specific eye conditions, but they may not be well-known or widely publicized. Vision insurance can be a valuable tool in maintaining good eye health, and by understanding the secrets and benefits of your plan, you can take control of your eye care. In summary, vision insurance is a vital part of maintaining good eye health, and understanding the secrets and benefits of your plan can save you money and provide peace of mind. If you've had any experiences with vision insurance, please share them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on health insurance topics for more valuable insights and information. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.